Your home workout this week is still working on running mechanics. The first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to do toe walks across whatever area you have available. So wherever you're normally doing your crawls, down your hallway, out in your backyard, come up onto your toes, keep your heels up, and just walk down that whole length. You're not running. You want to make sure you get in as many steps as you can. Really warming up the back part of the legs, lower part of the calves, and that your ankles are getting super, super strong. Try to notice where your feet are touching the ground. Make sure it's the ball of your foot, the first 1/3 of your feet. After that, you're going to do A skips like we did in our session. So foot comes up each time. You're driving that knee forward and just skipping really small skip. So just like a normal skip, but you're making sure that you're staying up on the toes, on the front 1/3 of the foot. And we're only getting really, really tiny skips. Okay, then once you get used to it, try to see if you can involve your hands as well. So driving that knee up, still skipping forward, having this look as if you're running. So if somebody were to take a picture of you right here, they would think that you were maybe about to take off running, okay? So going up and down whatever space you have available. I would do toe walks up your hallway and A skips back. Toe walks up, A skips back. Do that at least 3 times down whatever space you have available. And then you're going to do sideline hip raises. So you'll get down onto your mat or on the floor. Make sure that your knees are sticking straight off of your hips. You don't want to be round and curved instead. Make sure everything is nice and straight. Elbow is directly underneath your shoulder. And from here you're going to lift your hip up off the ground and lift that knee. So you kind of look like a pair of scissors. So picking yourself up and back down. Trying to see if you can get 5 really good ones. And then turn over onto your other side. Do the same thing. Lift the hip, lift the knee. You might slide a little bit. If you do, that's okay. Just reset yourself. Remember, the most important part is body stays straight. After that, leg comes completely up. Don't keep your feet together. Instead, pick that leg up, all the way up. 5 on each side. You'll do 3 sets of 5 on each side. And the last one is going to be our fun little yoga pose, the wheel. So you'll get down onto your back. Feet are going to be really close to your butt like you're going to do a bridge. Hands are tucked right there by your shoulders, and you're trying to pick yourself up off of the floor. So you'll probably be not too confident in yourself at first with that position. Just remember, you're probably stronger than you think you are. If you're not able to do it, at least try to do the feet part. So at least try to pick up here and just push a little bit up off the floor. See how high you're able to get yourself up. If you're able to hold yourself up, maybe try for 3 sets of about 20 to 30 seconds.